everybody, welcome to Carry On Jeff and John. What I'm going to be doing for you is mussels in a chili pesto sauce. This is the ingredients that we need. Mussels, New Zealand mussels. Now look at them bad boys, they're absolutely awesome, they are. You want about 10 or 11 of them. 3 cloves of garlic, 1 chilli washed and cut up into little pieces like that. Bit of coriander, a shallot, finely chopped up, about 8 stems of asparagus, cut them lengthways like so. Right, let's be flash, shall we? 7 or 8 cherry toms. Make sure you get the good cherry tom. All this is top ingredients, you've got to have the best stuff. And then what you need then is 2 tablespoons of chili pesto. And then what we want then is some wholemeal bread, and the ones with the seed in, a nice healthy stuff, you know, keep that weight down. And then what we need then is half a bottle of cider. Now this cider is awesome. You see that? And what we need is a splash of olive oil. Don't know if you notice, but in my cooking, I don't use a lot of oil. My food is never greasy. Can't be doing with greasy food. What we need now is to put 3 cloves of garlic in, like so. Shallots, just sweat them down like so. Can you see it? Yeah. Look at these New Zealand mussels, absolutely awesome. You'll never get mussels this big ever again. I tell you, that's what you want, New Zealand mussels. We've got the garlic and shallots in there. 1 chilli, cut up in small pieces, de-seeded and washed. I think we all know that anyway. Tomatoes, cherry toms, a nice sweet one. Asparagus. What I'm going to do now, we're going to put 2 spoonfuls of chili pesto. Now this is the mild one, like so. While we're doing that, I'm just going to put the grill on. You want half a bottle of cider. There we go. And what we do then is throw the mussels in. Believe it or not, when you do mussels with the shells on, there's a lot of flavour in the shells, that sea flavour, if you know what I mean. Right, the mussels are in there. Now these are cooked mussels, cooked New Zealand mussels. Get your bread, get the nice seeded bread, healthy bread. You see how healthy I am? Now what we do with these, we just let these cook, just turn the heat down, for about 4 minutes. Toast is going in now. And what we're going to do with the pesto, this chili pesto, we're going to spread that on top of the toast. And it's done. So we've got to time this right now, so it's 10 minutes of engaged, so after about 14 minutes these are going to be ready, and these are going to be awesome. You know that word, awesome. Now we're not going to put any salt in. Simple reason is seafood's already got salt in anyway, so we don't need to do that. And the smell from this is absolutely awesome. Absolutely awesome. This. I don't know if you've ever had this. It's chili pesto. What we do with this? It's not too hot. This is the mild one. Just put that on on your brown seedy bread. Wholemeal bread this is. Look at that. If everybody was to come and smell this, you think, wow, that's awesome. Look at the size of them mussels. I love cooking. I love cooking for you lot. And all you do then, is just put yourself some coriander on there. Really quick. And what you do, you eat that, your toasted pesto bread. Does that look awesome? Or is everybody happy with that? Can we take that away?